So one of the things that is important too for safety reasons is making sure we clean things properly. We sanitize them. One of the things I learned at the Jumpstart program was using the bleach and making sure I read the directions of how to use it properly. We don't have a lot to clean, but we have a few items, like we make sure we clean the cooler. This is an alternative collection that we have for if we collect our mushrooms. Usually we're primarily going into clean containers, but this is an alternative if we've run out of containers or anything like that. But it's important to make sure we're sanitizing those properly.
The University of New Hampshire Cooperative Extension is an equal opportunity educator and employer. UNH, U.S. Department of Agriculture, and New Hampshire counties cooperating. Direct inquiries to unh.civilrights@unh.edu. The University of Maine system is an equal opportunity institution committed to non-discrimination.